In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Draw.io for sequence diagram. So to do that, you first need to head over to drawio.com, and from in there, you can see this. So you can just describe your diagram right here. For example, let's input right here sequence diagram about buying products. Let's input that right here. And once you have inputted your actual prompt, just click on this generate. The great thing about Draw.io is that you don't need to log in or register in order to use their product. So let's click on this right here. This will open in here this new tab wherein you can see this. Make sure as well that your JavaScript is enabled in order to actually create your diagram right here. So for this, just wait for this to actually load all together and it will generate the diagram for you. So here is our actual diagram. Here's the sequence for that as well. You can see how it would make it away right here. Like we have browse, displaying product list, and this is the next steps after those as well. So if you wish to create your own and not use AI, you can also do that. Just head over right here into this part and into this just locate the sequence option. You also just click on this add more shape and you can see some standards, softwares, networkings, businesses, as well as other options that we can choose from. So on this case, you can just head over and then just use these options. You can also just add general elements like shapes, text, as well as arrows in order to create this sequence paragraph or diagram for your own. So for this, just edit it however you want, and once you're done, you can head over and then share it or download this particular diagram that we have made. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.